I recently got the Bambu Lab 3D effect sheets in the mail. These are going to be for the A1 Mini. As you see, they come packaged just in this little cardboard, and there's 4 sheets here. There's 2 that have like a rainbow pattern. I don't remember the names of them off the top of my head, but I think they're Starry and Galaxy. I think. And the other 2 sheets that are packaged with this are a diamond pattern and a carbon fiber pattern. You can see they're really reflective. A little glossy right now because the protective cover is still on them. But yeah, they just look beautiful, don't they? And it also comes with this steel build plate. And compared to the regular textured PIA build plate, same size, but you can see this one's a smooth build plate, while, the one that came with the printer is a textured plate. Per the instructions, spritz it with some isopropyl alcohol, wipe it down, just to clean it off, to get a good surface before you put the stickers on. And I 3D printed these jigs. The file is on their webpage. Takes you to Maker World. You can download them. I think for the A1 Mini, this was a 2-hour print. As you can see here, I'm struggling with the second one just a little bit. They slide around a little bit, but once they're in place, they're latched on. There we go. It took me a little bit of time to line this one up, but I finally got lined up and installed. Then, once you get in place, peel the base sticker back. Hold on just a second. There we go. And I just tucked it underneath here. That way, it'd be out of the way, and I could still have access to the other side without ruining anything. I lined up right down the middle, put pressure right there. Then I flattened out both sides, and then I removed the jigs. Once the jigs are removed, you can peel the sticker away and slowly even everything out. I used the jigs as a squeegee here. Worked great. And once everything is squeezied out and flat, I went ahead and removed the protective film. Look how amazing that looks. Now, these are considered consumables by Bambu. I'm not sure how many prints I'm going to get off this. I'm going to find out. Oh, yeah. That imparted the pattern really well. Look at that. Even has a little bit of gloss on there. This is also going to be part of a separate project I'm working on. I'm making a Lazy Susan display for my prints. And, oh yeah, that spins pretty well. Now, let's see how it spins with objects on top. Oh, that's great. And perfect. This came out perfect. Just want to say thank you, and if you like this content and want to see more, please like and subscribe.